You are welcome to Open Therapy of Open Psychology. We shall be looking at some area of health psychology today, and we shall be looking at cancer and stress. Cancer is a broad term for a large group of diseases characterized by abnormal and uncontrolled growth. These growths affect tissues and organs in the system. Now, cancerous cell can also spread to other parts rather than the area where it started from. And how the cancer grow? Usually, the cancer begin when genetic changes occur, and these changes interfere with the normal cycle of cell. The cell usually have DNA in it, and each DNA have genes. These genes have instructions in them that control the growth and the function what cells should do at a particular time. But when there is error, whenever there is error in this information that is contained in this DNA and the gene, it can grow in an abnormal way. It can grow beyond the normal level it ought to grow, and usually the damages in DNA are repaired by normal cell. But for some cells that are cancerous, this DNA are not repaired. Damaged DNA are not repaired, and as a result of that, the growth will be abnormal and uncontrolled. So it continues to grow, and this growth can form a mass of tumor, or it can be another cancerous that is contained in blood. So these are some of the things. Now, the causes, there are different things that have been attributed to be causes. Some are combination of factors, and DNA, as I've said, that have error messages can lead to abnormal and uncontrolled growth. There is genetic factor as one of the implications that these genes might be transmitted in family, and also environmental exposures to chemical and some other things within the system can affect it. Lifestyle factor in terms of some certain things, lifestyle, inactive lifestyle, or some unhealthy lifestyle can also contribute to it. Infections of virus and other infections can also contribute to it. Now, chronic stress can enable an individual to behave in a way that also contributes to the growth of these cells. Some treatment modalities that are available are surgery and other medical related treatment. Then psychologists can come in to help the person adjust into lifestyle adjustments, and also into be able to manage the shock of the diagnosis at the right time, to also be able to manage the system and progression over a period of time. These are where psychotherapy support group are needed. And also behavior modification to help the individual to change the lifestyle is also a critical thing that can be factored in. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy might be used. Individual need to have support group that enable the person to adjust. Support group, and that might involve having therapy, group therapy with the family, group therapy with support group, and also to be able to have lifestyle modification that will enable the person to make adjustments to what the person can control.